Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I welcome you all to my next class and I hope you all are doing good. So in this video we are going to discuss all the important MCQs of all the chapters from chemistry. ठीक है? Starting with acid, bases and salts. ठीक है? So let's get started. पहला objective है MCQ tomato is a natural source of which acid? The answer is oxalic acid. Okay. Next one, what is the pH of blood? The answer is first one, 7. It is, if you'll Google it, the answer will be 7.35 to 7.45. So the answer will be 7. Next is Na2CO3 into 10H2O is washing sodium carbonate, which is washing soda. उसके बाद the acid present in stomach is? The answer is HCl. Next, at what temperature is gypsum heated to form plaster of Paris? Answer is 100 degrees Celsius. If the answer will be in Kelvin, so 373 Kelvin. ठीक है? How many water molecules does hydrated calcium sulfate contain? यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस ही गलत दिए हैं, मे बी इनको 20 नहीं 2 देना था. सो द आंसर इज 2. ठीक है? इफ़ यू विल गेट दिस क्वेश्चन मेक श्योर द आंसर इज 2 और वहाँ पे इन्होंने ठीक से चेक करके दिया होगा बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन बैंक है. सो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं, गलती हो सकती है. तो आपका जो क्वेश्चन पेपर में क्वेश्चन होगा वहाँ पे ऑप्शन 2 ही होगा. ठीक है? सो द आंसर इज 2. हाउ मेनी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स डज हाइड्रेटेड कैल्शियम सल्फेट कंटेन? इट्स 2. नेक्स्ट, tooth tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. A. What is the pH of acid rain? The pH of acid rain is below 7. Okay, it is below 7. What is the chemical formula of plaster of Paris? CaSO4H2O, which is the C part. Fine. Lime water is? The answer is CaOH2. CaOH2 is your answer, B1. pH of base solution is? It is greater than 7. That means C part. Greater than 7, pH of base solution. Next. Which of the following acids is a strong acid? HCl. A. Acid present in apple is? Again the options are incorrect. The acid present in apple is malic acid. ठीक है? और अगर ये क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम्स में आता है, मैलिक एसिड डेफिनेटली ऑप्शन होगा. ठीक है? ये ऑप्शंस करेक्ट नहीं है. रेंज ऑफ पीएच स्केल इज? इट इज 0 to 14. That means C. Okay? Okay, so let's move on to the next chapter, which is carbon and its compound. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है इसमें, द फॉलोइंग सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन कैन नॉट शो आइसोमेरिज्म. कौन सा है? मीथेन. सेकेंड वन, दिस पर्टिकुलर functional group is? It is the functional group of aldehydes. That means C. Maximum covalency of carbon is? It is 4. ठीक है? Maximum covalency of carbon is 4. N-pentane and isopentane represent? What do they represent? Structural isomers. Okay? A option. Then C3H8 belongs to the homologous series of alkanes. Okay? The number of isomers of pentane is 3. Name the functional group present in CH3COCH3. It is ketone. Addition reactions are undergone by both alkenes and alkynes. Okay? Vinegar is 6 to 8% acetic acid. अगर आप गूगल करेंगे आंसर तो द आंसर विल बी 5 to 8%, और कहीं पे 7 to 8% दिया होगा। ठीक है, अगर एग्जाम में ऑप्शन ये भी आता है सो इवन दैट्स करेक्ट। सो इसके बीच में क्या है, 6 to 8%, सो दैट्स योर आंसर। नेक्स्ट, soaps are formed by saponification of esters or saponification of esters. Buckminster fullerene is an allotropic form of. So the answer is carbon. Okay, the answer is carbon. How many electrons are there in the outermost shell of carbon? That is 4. It's D. The functional group, one second. The functional group present in ethanol is, it is OH, alcohol, OH, okay? Any two adjacent members of a homologous series differ by CH2, B, CH2, okay? The property of self-linkage among identical atoms to form long chain compounds is known as catenation, okay? This is going to be your answer. So that was all from carbon and its compounds. Let's move on to third chapter. Okay, so let's do the objectives of chemical reactions and equation. पहला ऑब्जेक्टिव है ऑक्सीडेशन इज अ प्रोसेस विच इन्वॉल्व्स एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। अगर ऑप्शन में रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन भी होगा दैट विल आल्सो बी करेक्ट। ठीक है, अ सब्सटेंस एडेड टू फूड containing fats and oils is called antioxidant. Okay, next one, the correct formula of rust is, it's Fe2O3 then X times H2O. C option is correct. Then Pb plus CuCl2 gives PbCl2 plus Cu. The above reaction is an example of combination. It's a combination reaction. Okay. Next one. The reaction of H2 gas with oxygen gas to form water is an example of. Actually ये both combination or reduction. Sorry, not this one. Sorry about this one. जो ये reaction है Pb plus CuCl2, it gives PbCl2 plus Cu. This is not combination. It is displacement reaction. Okay, corrected. It's displacement reaction. Next जो है the reaction of H2 gas with oxygen gas to form water is an example of combination reaction. Okay, then sixth one, MnO2 plus 4 HCl gives MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. Which reaction is this? So ये both oxidation and reduction reaction है. So that means it is a redox reaction. अगर ये क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम्स में आता है तो एक ऑप्शन डेफिनेटली होगा बोथ ए एंड बी, या तो अगर रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन होगा यू विल हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दैट। ठीक है, क्योंकि जहां पर ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन रिएक्शन होती है दैट इज अ रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, burning of coal is burning of coal is an exothermic reaction. Rancidity occurs when oily foods are oxidized. Yes. Next, it is necessary to balance a chemical equation in order to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. B. Okay. When a gas is passed through lime water, it becomes milky. The gas may be, it is CO2. Fine. Okay, that was the last one. Now moving on to the fourth chapter, which is metals and non-metals. Okay, so the first objective is which, एक second, which is the most reactive metal? It is zinc. और अगर least reactive पूछा तो it is gold. अगर options होगा, क्योंकि एक और least reactive है which we are going to talk about later. Which, पहले मैं यहाँ पे confusion ही हटा दूँ. What is the question? Which is the most reactive metal? That is zinc. Okay. Which of the following non-metals is a liquid? So it's bromine. Metal which has no action with water, it is gold. The most abundant metal in the earth's crust is aluminium. Okay. The metal which is liquid at room temperature, that's, everyone knows this answer. One second, it is mercury. Mercury. Okay. Next one. Which of the following non-metal is lustrous? That is iodine. Okay. Galvanization is a method of protecting iron from rusting by coating with a thin layer of, that is zinc. किसकी coating की जाती है? Zinc की coating की जाती है. Amalgam is an alloy of mercury and metal. ठीक है, mercury और कोई भी एक metal. Okay. The flux used in blast furnace to remove the unwanted impurities is basic. Next, the non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity is graphite. In stainless steel, iron is mixed with its nickel and chromium. Nickel and chromium. The bronze medals are made up of, it is copper, zinc and tin. Which of the given metals cannot be extracted using smelting? The answer is again aluminium. Okay. See, आपको answers ऐसे भी आ सकते हैं. So आपको पता होना चाहिए किसका symbol क्या है. Okay. Which of the following is an iron ore? That is hematite. Which is the most malleable metal? That is Au, which is gold. ठीक है. हाँ, इसके बाद next chapter. Okay, so this is the last chapter, periodic classification of elements, and the first objective is which of the following has largest atomic radius? Rubidium. B. Okay. Next, element of, element R belongs to group 2A. The formula of its oxide is RO. ठीक है. उसके बाद the number of elements present in the third period of periodic table is, it's, एक second, it's 8. 8. Okay. The number of elements classified by Mendeleev are 63. ठीक है. और एक फ़ायदा है आपका ये ऑब्जेक्टिव्स करने का, that you can leave one chapter from physics, chemistry and bio. For example, sources of energy के 3 ही मार्क्स है फिजिक्स में, वैसे ही केमिस्ट्री में एक चैप्टर है जिसके 3 ही मार्क्स है, या बायो में एक चैप्टर है जिसके 3 ही मार्क्स है. यू कैन ईजिली लीव दीज चैप्टर्स. ये आपको लर्न करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज यू हैव द चॉइस ऑफ लीविंग 24 मार्क्स फ्रॉम योर पेपर. और जब आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 करते हो वहाँ पे 20 आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ही होते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू हैव चोजन एनी पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, आपको सारे पार्ट्स उस क्वेश्चन के करने हैं. तो ये ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अगर आप ऐसे ही याद रखोगे, इफ़ यू मेमोराइज देम, आपके 20 आउट ऑफ 20 ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आ सकते हैं. एंड यू कैन लीव दीज 3 चैप्टर्स. इनफैक्ट एक और चैप्टर भी आप छोड़ सकते हो from either from physics, chemistry or bio. You can learn intelligently, learn smartly this time, because you have an option. अगर आपके पास choice है, option है, why to leave it? Use it, isn't it? So ये objectives आप ऐसे ही याद कर लो, just memorize them because it will be helpful to you in your examination. Next, so where was I? हाँ, number of groups in the modern periodic table is 18. The law of triads was given by Dobereiner. Halogen lie in the modern periodic table in group 17. Group 17. Up to which element the law of octaves was found applicable? It's calcium. B. ठीक है. Next. Which of the following forms the basis of the modern periodic table? That is atomic number, again B. What is the other name for group 18th elements? Noble gases. उसके बाद which group elements are called transitions? Group 3 to 12 कहाँ गया? C. Group 3, group number 3 to 12. Which of the following is the least reactive metal? Lithium. Out of these four, lithium is the least reactive metal. अभी एक और जगह पे आया था gold. So अगर gold और lithium एक साथ होगा, there you have to see the answer. Fine. That was all for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you really liked it and found it helpful, so do not forget to like, subscribe and share this particular video, especially to those students who do not have um, any source with them. Fine. So take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye and best of luck for your exams.